Hello dear traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab. Let's have a look at the currency pairs for the upcoming week starting from Monday 20th of April 2026. How is your weekend going on, my dear friends? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be busy in your life. I spent the whole Saturday right here with my kids and it was a very nice day. Overall, it's still raining outside and it's spring season, so everywhere there is like a smell of that jasmine style. Beautiful weather right here it is, and I especially enjoy such weathers. Now you can easily say that what is the connection of weather and the forex. So my friends, there is a very deep connection of weather and forex. It's up to all of us that how we look at these things. Okay, because if I see a rain, what does that mean? A rain of pips of profits, or like a rain of losses, whatever. My friends, profit and loss both are brother and sister, I should say, in this business. Okay, so yes, dollar yen is open in front of me, and by the way, these days I do live stream and I have a very big commitment with myself that I will be, whether I trade, whether I don't trade, but at least I will be coming live every day to listen to anyone who is in trouble. Okay, live. So Monday till Friday 6 p.m. till time is not exactly yet decided. Starting point is the 6 p.m. and the ending is sometimes early, and sometimes, most of the times, 2 hours I spend. Right here is the dollar yen open in front of me. And what were we discussing last week? Obviously, first thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles right here, and last week I say nothing much about this particular pair. Why? Because it has broken a level back then when I was discussing it. So the thing, my friend, is that, see, we have this yellow trend, and this trend got established on 5th of March. Okay, so as I say, my friends, there are weathers. Similarly, in forex market there are weathers. Okay, this is a yellow weather going on for the dollar yen. How? My friend, if a seller is thinking that I am selling, the seller is afraid of one thing. The seller is afraid that market on a higher time frame is almost bounced off from a very key level. Understand it. What is that key level? That key level is from 30th of June 2024. Okay, so this is the current climate on this dollar yen right here, that it has bounced off from a weekly level, and the level is around 2024, so 25, 26. Okay, so I was saying that the seller right now is afraid because this market on the lower time frame is showing something else. Okay, what is that something else? That something else is right here. If we see this level very closely, we can see false breakout from here. Okay, and now it is showing as this. So my friends, this is what the seller is afraid of. Okay, clear? Till at this point, clear? Now the Fibonacci trader is thinking, in his mind, the investor, the position trader, whoever he is, but he is thinking in his mind that what is happening, that my friend, this breakout has not yet occurred. Remember, in the those who take forex very seriously, they take these things very seriously as well, to be disciplined. For example, I want to give you a very real life example right here. See, this level, have a look at it and understand it. Don't skip the videos. Seller right now is afraid that if they sell right now, they see this daily time frame trend right here and it has not yet broken. So my friends, that's why I cannot look at it for a sell at this stage. Okay. Now for a buy. For a buy. What I usually do is, this is something I want to tell you. See, let's suppose in a longer run we say, okay, sell right here, take profit right here, 5, 6, 7 months it will be on. But who knows, 2-3 months we hold it and after the 4th month it stop us out. So this type of a plan these sellers are planning for. And I think without confirmation I may not be able to be friend with these sellers, which means I am not becoming a seller. And the daily time frame is suggesting that this is a very good support. This one, where is the line? Right here is a beautiful trend. Now pay very close attention. Today I'm very low, slow pace today, so that even a beginner can understand what I am saying, my friend. So obviously right here, if it is bullish, it got a rejection from right here. So how that sell opportunity will look like? Well, that sell opportunity will look like when it break below this level. Very nice, beautiful, fantastic break, whenever it will be, in the next week, in the week after that, whenever. Then patiently I will be planning for a sell. Okay, this is my thought process, my planning. And if I want to become a bull, if I want to become a bull, then my friend, there is a tiny sell range already established. Have a look at it on the H4 and just see. So it means there is now, in the upcoming week, will be a lot going on. Okay, for now this trend line is at least broken. Okay, and it is invalidated. Even let's suppose, if I will make another video about it, invalidation. See, this trend line is now no more for my use, and most of the traders out there will be saying, oh, this is triangle, buy here, sell here. No, this is invalidation, because this candle closes above that. We have seen a false breakout and the market took a support as well. So story finish. Clear? What's next then? Do we have any other type of a trend at this stage? Well, there are several. For example, this one. But right here, even if we see, we have false breakout of this one as well. So then for a buy trade opportunity, well, buying will be above. Remember, one day the market will close above this. then a trader will be looking for some sort of confirmation on the H1, H4, then this bullish opportunity can be availed. Okay. And just in case if one is curious to know that what is my opinion inside this range, have a look at it, my friends. Since till at H4 I discussed in the weekly, now further from right here I will be, because during the week then I will not be explaining these levels again. I will be sticking to H1, M30, M15, M5, M1 in the live streams, right? And I hope till H4 everyone must have understood what I said. Now on the dollar CAD, my friend, the thing is the levels that I drew, that worked, right? And even if we see, we have last week seen a very fantastic sell rally, okay, as well. See this one. And market is also established on a weekly, this is I'm talking about. Remember my friends, Forex is 100% psychology, okay? Here. Now remember, whatever I'm discussing right now, after this your strategy will be helping you after this, okay? This is just the strategy to find the levels. For the confirmations, there are a lot. Everyone has their own specialized levels. So now on the dollar CAD, my friend, again see it bluffed a little bit, I should say, right here. Now it has created on the daily time frame this level, okay? Market respected this very nicely, a nice selling trade could be planned. I'm not sure if I discussed it in the live streams or not, this selling plan, but since I didn't traded it, so I don't remember if I told anyone this or not. But if we see, a very nice opportunity it was. And now then those who ask me what is my good strategy, then let me tell you my friends that my strategy is that whenever market is on a bullish trend as this, and whenever that at any point that trend got broken and the market go back for a retest, I will be selling. No matter, I don't care if, for example, if this breakout is false. Most people are afraid of the false breakouts, but then my friends, things will become very difficult if we get afraid of the false breakouts, because such things will be happening and we cannot stop it. False breakout can happen everywhere, okay? So even if this is a retest, and if I have a doubt that this is like oh no, it might be a false, and I don't sell it right here, then I think that is my mistake. Sometimes people do this mistake as well. For example, I used to do this mistake for a very long time, and that was this, okay? I used to say, okay, this is like let me change the color of the Fibonacci lines. Earlier I used to do one thing. For example, from here, this is a swing low, this is a swing high, so nice impulsive wave, and as per that impulsive wave, this is a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. So I used to do to buy right here. Now my friend, any like later I discovered that okay, why I'm buying, I have seen a lower low right here, so why will I be buying right here? Okay, so this mistake I did. But even right now, sometimes, you know, we are so much busy in our lives that we don't notice these small things, and we are still, our mind is still in that bullish story. Why? Because we made profit from here, then we are so much get bullish till at this stage that we forget that what the seller are planning for. Okay, very pro thing I have just told you. So yes, this is the CAD. Okay, and there is an ABCD pattern as well. I know you are ABCD pattern trader, so you will be drawing it yourself as well next time, but let's see. It is showing this, but I'm not saying buy right here. I'm not saying to anyone. Everyone is responsible for their own decision. And this is a pattern. If I tell you this whole is a pattern which can obviously fail. A lot of the pattern forms, a lot of them fails. Let me show you. Recently, we have seen such pattern on the Euro US dollar in January and February, the sell one. Okay, if you remember when on H1 the market became bearish, you will remember, I know. So yes, this dollar CAD seems to me, if the market doesn't open with a gap, this is a 61.8% retracement. Yes, maybe a double bottom if it forms, but sometimes when at such places when a double bottom forms, let's see it in the live streams further. Okay, anyone who is a swing trader, this analysis should be enough for them. Then my friend, the euro US dollar, what did I say and what the market did? This is that H1 trend. It just got broken. Market go took a retest of this broken level again and is showing us drop again on the H4. I mean, no long stories right here. Okay, so there are sellers currently in the market. Yes, on the lower time frames on the intraday, it is still bullish. So for me, if I personally tell you, my strategy suggests this is my resistance now. No doubt it can stop me out right here. Whatever it do to me, I will let it do, because in the longer run I know that if I follow this technique, this method, things will be moving in my favor. This much I know. Okay, it's simple. Crude oil, would you like to see last week what we discussed? Wow, a very nice drop. Thank God my friend, crude oil dropped. You know, here is a bit, there is no natural, like CNG pumps are closed and petrol is way too expensive, my friend. I mean 380 rupees around it go to per liter gasoline. Anyways, so my friend, in the crude oil, I think there is again nothing to discuss. The levels that I drew are still valid, and yes, in the upcoming week I would like to see it 79.16, but I think these are now left out. Still on the lower time frames it will be bearish, and on the higher time frames, see which level did it broke. On the higher time frames, my friend, this is a level of 2025. And what is the date? The date is almost like July 2025. So this is 26. So almost a year low support it is. Okay, if I go for the Fibonacci and that stuff, well, still that suggests this is a reaction area from the buyers. This is 79.32. Market can come back down right here, maybe wick down right here as well. So proper positions, I will say, okay, wait for it. And in the lower time frames, well, I just want to see, I think it is going back till at least here. I'm not buying, I have no confirmation. And okay, 92.30. But let's see, confirmation will clear the doubts. Do I need to discuss the GBPUSD as well? Yes, it this one and euro dollar has the same structure. Okay, but there is little bit change, and that change is that the trend line right here breakout come approximately till at this stage, but it can obviously stop us out. Okay, my friends, don't just understand these things. Okay, I'm doing it for education. So last week, as I said, it happened, and now we have to see. There are several other reaction levels right here. I will be discussing it on Monday, obviously, because I can maybe take a weekly counter trend trade right here. 100 pips as a buy can be present here. Then coming on to the US tech, it broke this level. Okay, so when it broke, there was a retest. See, it broke, it retest, and yes, it is continuing back bullish to. This is, my friend, on a all-time high going. Okay, let's just avoid it for now. On the lower time frames, everyone is bullish. Scalping intraday, I mean. And USD ZAR, let's see NZD USD. I don't want to touch it for this week. USD ZAR, my friends, well, nice structure it is, but in order to find the long term stuff, my friend, if we see, very complicated at this stage. But I think since it broke this trend line, see this nice rhythm, oh my friend, look at this. Some hidden stuff is going on right here, very hidden stuff. Okay, though on a weekly it respected this level. Okay, that way I discussed, and from here breakout readers. So nice. Now the actual move on the H4, let's see it. Okay, seems a little bit still on this ABCD. On a daily time frame on the H4 there is nothing, and it again is pointing till this 17.804, not a trading signal but just. And USD MXN, did I discussed it? Same situation going on right here. Oh, double bottom created. There is tiny divergence as well. I think there is some buying potential, but I will prefer to wait maybe 1 or 2 weeks for long term. Otherwise, short term, let's see. I'm not giving anything. And gold, my friends, gold we will be discussing in a separate video. I'm so much tired. So take care of yourself. Goodbye.